Yeah, I got a camera.
Respect.
I got a camera. It's gonna videotape you. Yeah, beat up on your brother. Yeah, go get him. That reminds it with me though. Ay, no ear. You know, the best picture though that I like of her is when she's sitting in a car seat.
Yeah.
I think so. That's the best picture of her when she's little. She's sitting in a car seat.
She's starting to listen to the little boy that I nanny. He says sit. She'll sit for a minute, but then she's back to bullying him.
Oh yeah. But it's nice that she's growing up at least with little kids too. You know that kind of is good for them to be around little ones. Why you guys? Bingo, you gotta be nice, no ear biting. Ooh, wipe out. Hi, sweetie.
Good girl, Sophie.
See?
Good girl, Sophie.
Now you're much better. Now you go. Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay.
Soft.
I had a little puppy accidentally bite me a couple days ago. Little baby, I mean maybe 9 weeks old. Shark teeth.
Oh yeah.
It got excited and wanted to play with Miss Penny and
Does that hurt, huh?
I'm not ready for another accidental dog.
Bingo right there.
You wanna go after Bingo? Look at Ginger. She's a good girl here. Sophie, I got you on a tape. Sophie, come here to me. Sophie, come here. You wanna come here to mommy? Come here to mommy, right here. On this side to me. Come here. Come here. Get your butt and sit down with me. Yes, you sit right here. You got enough? That's Bingo. Yes, and that's